areas of New Jersey and Delaware, including Delaware Bay. Coastal flooding, moderate. Western Passaic, and the following areas, in New York, Orange and Putnam. Blizzard warning in effect from midnight tonight to midnight Tuesday night. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from midnight tonight to midnight Tuesday night. Locations, Orange and Putnam counties in New York and Western Passaic County in New Jersey. Hazard types, heavy snow and blizzard conditions. Snow accumulations, 18 to 24 inches with locally higher amounts. Snowfall rates, 2 to 4 inches per hour early Tuesday morning into Tuesday afternoon. Timing, late tonight into Tuesday evening. Impacts, dangerous travel due to whiteout conditions at times. Several roads may become impassable. Winds, northeast 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Temperatures, in the lower 20s. Visibilities, 1/4 mile or less at times. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. And southeast Suffolk. Coastal flood warning in effect from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Tuesday. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a coastal flood warning, which is in effect from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Tuesday. The coastal flood advisory is no longer in effect. For the following areas, in New York, Southwest Suffolk and Southern Nassau. Coastal flood warning remains in effect from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Tuesday.